Oh, hi guys, I'm just gonna try to talk about what I learned today. I know my webcam is really wrong, and I don't know if there's something wrong with my laptop, and so sorry about that. But actually, the reason why I'm using this uh, laptop to record myself rather than just using the whiteboard is because actually I didn't learn that deeply to explain like big concept using whiteboard. So I'm just doing what I'm trying to do right now. So the basically what I'm trying to do is making a hardware specification but front end code, but the in the front end. So basically, which means that I have to care about all the hardware specification. But right now I'm currently doing the CPU and the memory stuff. So how did you like? How can I make this hardware specification using this TypeScript? But actually, we're trying to learn about some kind of hardware stuff. But the important thing is that you just have to use just binary or the bits or byte values of it. It's really simple. In TypeScript or JavaScript there's like new array buffer of it and this kind of thing. And if you look at here, what I'm trying to do is right now is I made the object which is the object which is class, the memory of it. I get the microprocessors. It gets the CPU. The microprocessor is like CPU, so those kind of thing, and it gets the how many address it has and how many the word size it has. So based on that, I will be able to get the number of chips or chip select bits or addressing that. Of course, I'm gonna use the validation of it, and also if it is like if the number of chip is 3 and chip selection is 8, so this decoder might be like straight to 8 decoder. So that's very simple. Yeah, that's kind of thing. Oh, I think I should explain this kind of stuff. Uh, you know, uh, when trying to learn about like some kind of operating system feature and those kind of thing, we were able to see how CPU fetches the memory data from the physical part of it. Most important thing is that of course there's like MMU thing, but I believe that you have to know about how memory works and how memory is being made. And inside memory, uh, there's like hold on, there's like CPU thing here. Example. Here, so this part. Wait. So actually this is CPU. And based on the CPU, the specification of it, and the memory specification of it, you were able to get some some kind of address, the address lines, how many address lines you need to fetch the number of chips. Example, you have 8 chips of it, memory 0, and there's like 8 of it times 8. And of course, to select the per one just whole chip, you will have 3 address lines because 2 square 3 is equals to the 8. So you will have these 3 address lines to select the memory chips, one memory chips. But the thing is that they're inside memory chips. You were able to select the internal cells of it, which is called 7 address line. 10 minus 3 is 7. So to summarize it, there's like address line for selecting just whole chip and 7 address lines just selecting the internal cells of it. When I first encountered this stuff, I was very confused because why do I need to select internal cells? I can just use the 3 address line to select the one whole of memory chips. But you really have to know that it's just like you're just you have to select the both of it. Example, there's a big apartment, and there's a big apartment. There's like first floor, let's say this is first floor and sorry. Let's say this is first floor and this is second floor and this is third floor. This first, this second, this third. Why is it so small? And in this one floor, in this floor, there's like 3 rooms of it. So there's gonna be like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 of it. There's a 7 room of it inside per inside per floor. And you have a some kind of elevator in your apartment, in this building. So you just have to choose which way to go. And this elevator is, in this computer, it's just like CPU thing. This basically is gonna be CPU's address values, but let's skip it. So, and this whole thing, this first floor, second floor, third floor, is actually a memory chip. And to get the value of it, you have to select this kind of thing, right? This kind of room of it. You have to select this kind of room to get the value of it. So it's just like turning switch of it. Selecting this whole kind of floor doesn't mean you cannot get the storage from that floor. You have to select the room of it. So which means that elevator, the CPU is just gonna check it. You only go to room 2. This is gonna be, which means that you go chip 2, and you only go the room number 1. So that means that you're gonna go here, right? Never mind. So you're gonna go chip 1, but room number 1. So you're gonna go here and select this value, right? And this is just like simple of just like memory system. That is why we need some kind of 3 address lines of it. 3 address line for the selecting the per chip, and 7 address line to selecting internet source of it. It's very simple. Just like imagine those kind of building and elevator, those kind of stuff, and they'll make you a little bit understanding of how memory system works. And also, I learned that there's something like data bus on it. Like data bus is really abstract because we tend to imagine the bus like really the bus, for the going to some kind of station. We imagine some kind of bus, right? And this data bus is just like the car, but that holds some kind of the value of it or data. And the highway road is gonna be address lines. 0, 1, or 0. So this is it. So this is called data bus. The data bus is just like email, just sending the values to some kind of memory via CPU. So this is it. I'm gonna try to elaborate more about this tomorrow. So yes. So have a nice day. Goodbye.